you?
England.
Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Good day.
Hi, babe.
God,
what's happening?
everyone wants photos, don't they? Okay, so welcome back. We are on this bike contraption of the thing. So it's quite bobbly, so I'm guessing the camera's going blur.
So this morning we've been to the gym. I can hardly walk. Graham's got the quads. My calves are done.
Hence why we're on this contraption and we're we're sitting, going to this restaurant that we're going to go for food.
Yes.
I cannot wait because we haven't eaten since last night, which you saw at the Golden Temple, the Langar.
It's now 14:24.
So it's kind of like a late lunch.
Yeah.
We're only here until tomorrow morning, so we've got to do a late lunch, a dinner, and street food snacks.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we went to the gym this morning. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get to this place and let's get eating.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got a traffic jam here. Everyone's kicking off. Back it up, back it up. Come on. Yeah. All right, we need police officers. Call the police. Babe, what's happening?
We can't get through, babe.
But nobody wants to back up.
I'm matching the turbans.
All right.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, we're off.
Take everything we got, give it an all.
Oh, we got some more traffic.
Riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun.
Okay,
We're here?
we're here. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Wow!
Whoa. Where are we, babe?
So we're here by a restaurant that we got recommended by the gent who helped us last night at the Golden Temple. So I feel like we got a real local scoop for the perfect Punjabi food. So I think we're gonna go in here and order a thali. So let's go.
Just saw, I've just been in the kitchen and the food looks so good. They're like doing their things with all the patties, they're slapping it in the oven, they've got all the dishes going, they're all cooking and they're all sitting there cross-legged and they're just doing their thing, having a little chit-chat. I'm really looking forward to this food. And I love going into the kitchen to see what's happening. And you've got to admit, it's proper clean and tidy. Well, it's not mega clean and tidy, but like for Indian style, like it's spot on. The food is ready, and having just been in the kitchen, I'm so excited to try this. So we've got an array of things. We've got two different thalis. This is lachap paratha. This is dal makhni, which I'm really looking forward to trying. This one we have in England, chana masala. This one is a raita, looks very creamy. And then obviously we've got the onions and the chutney. So we've got like a paneer cottage cheese dish here. So I'm going to tuck in. That is so fresh. I've just seen them making it. It's so good. Okay, I'm going in for the first one. It's right up my street. There's a little bit of a spice. Okay, chana masala. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Chickpeas are really soft. A little bit more spice to this one. Theodore knows that this is my kind of meal. Okay, going in for this one. What?
Not liking it as much?
Well, it's like a yogurt with chickpea. I don't mind the yogurt, but it's a little bit too runny, and I'm not a fan of what's inside. Theodore, I will swap you this for your chana.
Since I don't even know the taste yet, babe, I'll taste test it. We'll discuss it. Hold on. So I actually have the chapatis instead of the paratha, but I'm gonna try both. Good chapati. Okay. I think it's more Graham's thing though.
I feel a good deal coming on.
Okay, chana masala. Okay. That's good, that's good.
Better?
Yeah, better. Let me try some of your paratha.
No. We've got to make a deal.
Oh my god!
If you'd seen our Toronto train ride, I asked Theodora for her peas on her plate. Can I please have your 15 peas? And if you want to know what the deal was, then you have to go back and watch it. But she was a tough cookie, so I'm playing tough. You ain't getting my paratha just for nothing. Question is, do you like this?
I do like it, but I don't need a second pot of it.
Yes, you do. I will give you this
Yeah?
for this.
No, that's no deal.
Why
No.
not?
That's my favourite one.
Okay, I'll take this then.
Yeah, okay. But and the paratha, I want in return.
No, you said that's a deal.
No.
Hands off.
Babe, I do need a paratha in return, no joke.
Again, if you've seen the last video, she gave me the 15 peas, but took back half a carrot. So, out of goodwill, I will give you this, but I'm not happy about it.
Babe, that is honestly not a fair That's not a fair deal. I think I should just take the paratha and I'll give you one chapati. That's a deal. You haven't tried the chapatis yet.
Okay, what's your thoughts, babe?
Okay, thoughts? I love the experience because it felt really authentic. It was super busy, loads of families here, there and everywhere. Everyone gets squashed on one table, loved it. But for me, it was a little bit heavy. You should see Graham's face right now. Well, I'm being honest with the viewers.
Heavy.
That's what they like, is we're honest.
Heavy, a little bit heavy.
Yeah.
That's what she says.
I thought there was like a lot of butter and oil going on, you know what I mean?
She didn't go into the kitchen and see the rawness of it, so she didn't appreciate it as much as I do. Anyway, Theodore is now not part of the vlog. It's just me. So, no, you're not in the vlog. If you don't like the food, then you're not in the vlog. Yeah, thank you for that, thank you. Anyway, we're now going to go and upload our next YouTube video because the Wi-Fi in India, it's been testing me so bad, testing us.
Why are you mentioning us when I'm not in this vlog anymore?
No, you're not part
Don't
of
even
it.
use
Sorry,
it.
it's been testing me. So we're going to go to a cafe, upload the video, which will already be uploaded probably 2 weeks ago. So go and check that out. I'll link it here. And then we're going to go and try some street food tonight. And I cannot wait. Let's do it. What have you got, babe?
Green tea?
So I don't know if you can see the guys behind me. They've got some good beards. She won't let me buy one. She won't let me grow one. If you think I should grow a beard, put it in the comments below. And if we get more than 1,000 yeses, then I'm going to grow a beard.
No beard.
You're not part of she's not part of this vlog, remember? So if you think I should grow a beard, please let me know in the comments.
Seriously, babe, you're not having a beard?
I've already decided I'm gonna have a beard.
We're not doing the beard.
That's all I've got to say about the beard issue.
So just done the speed test. It's literally download 1.18. Upload speed 0.82, babe. We're in trouble. What we're gonna do? I'll have a sip of green tea, babe. Just calm my nerves.
Alright.
Oh, it feels better.
So let's go back to the hotel, put it on charge, put the internet on, wait another 10 hours for it to upload, and maybe before midnight we can go live.
But it is a sign though, the whole beard talk like really messed up with the
You
speed.
think my beard talking was due to the Wi-Fi?
It's offensive. Seriously, what's happening with your outfit?
Okay, Theodora's been mocking me all day because of my outfit. But I've got like trousers on, which are really flexible, and a white shirt and my bum bag.
We legit had an argument in the hotel about this. I was even throwing out, we're trying to build a brand here, babe, like be presentable. Then next thing you know, we walk down the lobby and the guys go, nice outfit! What? Nah, let me know in the comments. This combo ain't fly. It ain't fly.
Can we have one burger? Yeah.
Because everyone from the neighborhood pops in, orders the noodles, order these burgers. Okay, here we go.
How is it, babe? What have we got in there? Run us through.
Okay, we have the vegetable patty. Now, India does the best vegetable burgers. We've got red onion, raw cabbage, tomato, cucumber. And it has these three sauces, red, green, and white. And let me tell you, they taste so good. But one thing I love the best is the raw cabbage. I just love it.
So a lot of people said in the comments last time when we did like a huge food vlog in Jaipur, like don't eat off the streets, it's not clean, healthy. But I tell you, the only time we had the poo-poos was when we went to a 5-star restaurant and we were on the toilet for like 3 hours. So we literally only eat from the street now, and we don't have any problems. So that myth has been busted. Oh, it's so good. Potentially the best burger I've had in India. Oh.
Veg momos? Veg. Okay, so around Amritsar, we've seen everywhere momos, and we figured out what they are. It's kind of like a steamed dumpling, I guess. So we're gonna put these to the test because that doesn't sound Chinese. Whoa, that's a lot. So without the sauce, it just tastes really veggie. There's a bit of a kick in there, but I think you do need the sauce. So red sauce first, here we go. Red sauce got a kick to it, but it doesn't taste like sweet chili. I'm gonna go in for green now. Green is sweeter. It's got a kick in the back. Okay, white sauce. Yogurty sweet sauce. Nice.
So if you see my Hong Kong or South Korean videos, you know I'm not really a dumpling man, so I I'm not thinking I'm gonna like this. I don't know what it is, I just don't like this pastry. It's proper healthy inside though, loads of green stuff. Way too healthy for me, I need another burger. Okay, I don't know if you can see us right now, but we are on a bicycle again. It's proper dodgy, like I think we could fall off at any moment.
We've got no things around us to hold on to.
Basically we can't walk anymore because we are just so tired, our legs are going to give up on us any second.
I know.
We're going to end the food vlog off by falling off this bike. Then we're going to get a lassie because our mouths are on fire.
We gotta go to bed and stop eating, guys. It's not good for our health.
I know.
So I hope you forgive us. We will come back strong because the next time you'll see us, we'll be in Delhi.
So before we get there, we're just gonna like sign off. Thank you for watching. If you want to support us, then give us a thumbs up, give us a subscription only if you like us and you're gonna keep following us around the world.
Yes.
If you want to support us even more, then check out our Patreon page, which is brand new on the site.
Yes.
We appreciate all your love and support, and we will see you in the next video. Babe, let's go and get a lassie.
Thank you. Okay, so we actually asked the local where to go for lassi, and he told us to come here to Gandhi Lassi. So, you know we're quite the lassi professionals now. Let's put it to the test. It's so fluffy and light. Let me try that.
That's actually really different to what we've had before. It's not as thick and more creamy.
But that's really thick.
That I don't like that.
No, I don't.
I don't like it.
It's like too butter. It's almost butter.
Last time we had a thin layer and it was like a
crust.
Like a crust of cream.
But I like the drink.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I don't like it. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's yours. Say goodbye.
Good night, boys. Good night, boys. Good night, boys. That's what I said. Bye bye.